The second step is the preparation of ledger accounts. So here, in order to calculate the ledger accounts, we have to see the problem. See here ledger accounts means here we have to prepare the fixed assets account. Then if there is any capital reserve, or if based on the adjustment we have to calculate the ledger accounts. See the adjustment here. A part of the land was sold in 2015 and the profit was credited to capital reserve, they have mentioned. Here the part of the land was sold, they have not mentioned the profit, right? The value of the sold values, that is sales value, they have not mentioned, and the profit also. So that means we have to prepare the land, that is land account, land and building account. So first we have to prepare the land and building account. So how to you know the ledger account format, right? So we have to prepare like that. So first we have to record the opening balance and closing balance. Opening balance, two balance brought down. See in the problem, see here, land and building, 1 lakh is the opening, that is 2014, and 85,000 is the closing. So we have to write here two balance brought down, that is opening balance 1 lakh, then closing by balance carried down 85,000. So we have recorded that. Next is, see here, they have not, there is a sales but we don't know the value. In order to know that, we have to prepare the capital reserve account, because they have mentioned here the profit was credited to capital reserve. So when we prepare capital reserve account, we will come to know the how much is the profit. So we have to prepare that account. So we'll see that later. See the next adjustment. A machine has been sold for 5,000. The WDV, that is written down value of machine, was 6,000 and depreciation of rupees 5,000 was charged on plant in 2015. So based on this information, we have to prepare the plant and machinery account, right? So first we'll prepare the plant and machinery account or plant account. So here first we have to record the opening balance and closing balance. So see here the opening plant and machinery. Opening we have 40,000, then closing, opening we have 40,000 and closing is 1 lakh. So write that two balance brought down, that is opening 40,000 and closing is by balance carried down 1 lakh. Next, see here, the machine has been sold for 5,000. So there is a sales, right? So when we sell the goods, that is by cash, right? By cash, we will receive the cash account debited to plant and machinery account. So by cash 5,000 worth. Next they have mentioned here the depreciation of 5,000 was been charged. So depreciation, here depreciation will go to adjusted profit and loss account, because there also we will consider the depreciation. So by adjusted profit and loss account, in the bracket write depreciation, how much it is, 5,000. See they have mentioned here. So whatever there in the additional information or adjustment, you have to write it twice. Whatever there in this balance sheet, we have to consider only once. So here this machinery, that is depreciation, we recorded. Next is, see here how much is, whether it is a profit or loss, we have to find out the sale. The WDV, that is written down value is 6,000 but they have sold for 5,000. There is a loss of 1,000, right? So we have to write that loss by adjusted profit and loss account, because the loss also goes to the adjusted profit and loss account. So by loss, adjusted profit and loss account, how much is the loss, 1,000. 1,000 is the loss here, because the actual WDV is 6,000 but they have sold for 5,000. The difference is 1,000 is the loss. So we have recorded all the items that are related to the plant and machinery account. Then the difference, we have to make a total. The total will be 1,11,000. This side is more. Then the difference will go to purchase, that is cash, to cash. If the difference is this side, then it is considered as a cash. If the difference is this side, then by cash. If the difference is this side, to cash. Here to cash means purchase account debited to cash means we are purchasing the plant. By cash means we are selling. So the balancing figure is 71,000. It goes to cash, that is purchase. So this is the plant and machinery account. Next we have to prepare the capital reserve account. Why we have to prepare is in order to complete this account. because here we don't know how much, what is the sales. See the first adjustment they have mentioned here, they just mentioned the part of the land was sold, they have not mentioned the value. In order to know that value, we have to prepare the capital reserve account. So see here, what is the capital reserve in the liabilities side in the balance sheet. So in the opening balance we don't have any value, then closing balance it is 10,000 they have given. So current capital reserve, it is a liability, it comes under liability, so opening balance will be credit side. Buy balance brought down nil. Then closing balance is 2 balance carried down, that is 10,000 you have to write. Then the difference will go to land and building, because the difference is the profit that is credited to capital reserve. They have mentioned here in the adjustment. See, a part of land was sold in 2015 and the profit was credited to capital reserve. So the whatever the profit, the difference will go to land and building account. So the difference is 10,000. So this 10,000 you have to record in the land and building. Here it is by land and building. That means here it is to capital reserve. So that is profit on sale, that is 10,000. Here I have recorded all the items that are related to land and building account. So here it is 1,10,000 total. Write that total both the side. The difference, here we have already recorded the closing balance of land and building. The difference will, that is 1,10,000 minus 85,000, that is 25,000 is the difference that will go to that is considered as buy cash. If the difference is this side, then buy cash. If the difference is this side, then it is to cash. If it is this side, buy cash means it is a sales balancing figure 25,000. So we have done with the second step, that